Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Akshita. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. My topic is government versus private, ma'am. Private job, ma'am.
Okay.
And I thought a government job is better than private, ma'am.
Yeah. Go ahead, little faster.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to address every time because it's a very short time for us to complete everything. And your ideas have to
Okay,
be
ma'am.
more approachable. And don't go for formality, madam, madam, madam. Fine, you just go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Government job has more facilities or benefits, ma'am. Better facilities, ma'am, than private.
Yeah.
They can provide job security, fixed working hours. In private job, that task should be complete, ma'am. It takes more time or less time, doesn't matter, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Targets are more in
government,
private jobs, right? Target meeting is more in
yes, ma'am.
private jobs.
And government
Okay.
and government job provide less salary, but more facilities, ma'am. Benefits, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Quickly.
And government sectors do not work on government holidays, ma'am. In private job, they have very limited leaves and holidays.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾ ಡಿಯರ್ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಯಾವಾಗ
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಪ್ಪಿ ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ನೀ ಜಾಬ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ್ಲಿ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕನೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಒಂದ್ 5 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್
Yes, ma'am.
ಅವ್ನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೇಳಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು
Yes, ma'am.
ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್
Huh.
ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ Okay, in topic ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನು
Yes, ma'am.
government private.
Hmm.
Yeah, there are two ways to handle it. One, direct, what is government job, what is private job. Benefits of having a government job, not having a private job. Benefits of having a private job, not going for government job. Government job will,
Yeah.
yes, negativity is it will not upgrade you, it will make you more lethargic. ಆಲಸ್ಯತನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮಗ್ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋವಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಈಗಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡೆಕೆಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಓ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬಾ ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆರಾಮ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂದದ ರೀತಿ ಈಗಿರೋ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ದೆನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹಿಂಗಿರೋದ್ರಾಗ first definition, what is government, what is private, what are the benefits of having a government job, what are benefits having of private jobs. ಹೇಳೋವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ ಈಸಿ ಇರ್ತದ the benefits ಹೇಳೋವಾಗ both are it's in its own one way better, but thinking the benefits I think government job will take more weightage because it is going to set what do you say, it is going to give you a lot of financial security for the age, till the age of retirement. ಹೌದಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿ but there are adverse effects to this life secure job. It will never make you professionally skilled. It will make you dependent on those factors which are essential for life, but personality or the knowledge of the person remains stagnant at certain point of time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
My dear, 3.5 for you. Prepare next time well.
Yes, ma'am. I will try.
Good girl. Chalo. Bye bye. Next one. Who would like to attempt? Come, unmuting yourself. Akash. ಯಾರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ರಿ. Don't become so childish. Yeah. Idiots. Take your own charge, no? I'm recording this.
Hello, ma'am.
Jay, again.
Yeah, ma'am. There's some correction I want to do.
Go
in
ahead, go ahead. It's your, your
No,
own
ma'am.
initiation. It's your class also, not just my
That-
class.
That Akshita said, government job versus private. In that government job, we have this. In private jobs, so according to our knowledge, they will hire us. In government jobs, they have some conditions like SC, ST have this much seat and etc. etc.
Okay, caste categories are there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Based on that, I think salary scale might be given.
Yeah, and in private jobs we can learn many things, many new things, and where if we done mistake, the higher position, the boss will correct us.
Okay.
Here in government job we can't learn anything, like we cannot get our mistake where it is. And we will in private jobs, so we will
Yama. Yeah, Jay.
in private jobs, we will think as it's our own company, and we will work for it.
Yeah, this is
In
always
government
the
jobs,
sentiment behind the job.
yeah, in
Very
government jobs we will think our job is secured, whatever we can do.
Yeah.
That much.
Okay. Claps to you,
Hello, ma'am.
Jay. Happy for your add-on, my dear, with your own initiation. I'll enjoy the group discussion with you.
Thank you,
Akshata,
ma'am.
convey at least a thanks or something, because that is a cordial approach to any person in the team, my dear. It's a giving respect and taking respect. Kindly send a thanks to Mr. Jay Natpal. Okay, next, second
ma'am.
option. Who is going to give? Oh, Arfat. Most welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Yeah, how are you?
No, I would
feeling
like
now?
to choose. Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Acha, take tablets on time and take good care of yourself, because
Yes, ma'am. Just only I
hospital
took.
visits are prone to COVID, so that should not affect anybody. Yeah, go ahead with your duty today's.
Hello.
थोड़ी आवाज ऊपर नीचे हो रही है, प्लीज आप उसको ध्यान में लो. मैंने अपना finish करके
Ma'am, I would
रखा है.
like to choose a trust, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the beginning, Akshata. I would like to choose trust. This is the way
Trust, ma'am.
our own team member, Mr. Arfat, has pointed out. I would like to choose. Akshata, then sentence bird it copy. Next time, yarge agli. If you are lacking with certain sentences, these are the support systems. Your classmates will become your strength of knowledge. Yeah, Arfat, go ahead.
Ma'am, before we are building something that is a home only or whatever, ma'am, we require a strong foundation, ma'am. So the trust is the foundation of the love or any relationship, ma'am.
Certainly.
Without trust, we cannot love someone, or we cannot feel secure with someone, ma'am.
Okay.
For example, ma'am, when we travel in a bus, because we have a trust on the driver, ma'am. If we won't have a trust on him, then we will not travel, ma'am.
Though there is no relationship.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The trust is very important for any love or any relationship, ma'am. So without trust, we cannot even feel secure when we are with someone, and we won't feel secure that your partner will be loyal to you.
Let me add a word here. In any relationship,
Yes,
trust is very
yes,
important. If trust
yes,
is
ma'am.
there, all other responsibilities can be taken over.
Yes,
Though
ma'am.
if trust is missing, then whatever
Uh,
responsibility you are delivering towards any person or being taken away or being taken on, खुद के लिए या फिर
okay.
दूसरों के लिए, if you are giving a responsibility to somebody and if you are taking same responsibility from others, both way,
Yes, ma'am.
trust is very important.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
builds relations, it maintains the relations, and it allows you to sustain each other's
Yes,
ups and downs. Am I clear
yes,
with your thought?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Ha. Okay, compilation was good.
Yes,
You need, we need to learn certain things here. We need to learn how to arrange things, right?
yes, ma'am.
Whenever we are expressing certain things, कैसा होता है ना, जैसे आपने घर का एग्जांपल लिया, पहले एक ईंट
हाँ,
रखते हैं, फिर दूसरा ईंट, फिर उसको एडजस्ट करते हैं स्पेसिंग वाइज, लाइन वाइज, सिर्फ एक धागे
yes,
की मेथड से। कोई लंबा स्केल नहीं आता है ना उधर अर्थात।
हाँ, हाँ,
हाँ, वो
नहीं आता है।
थ्रेड ही सब कुछ है उसके लिए।
Yes,
या तो इसीलिए इसी
yes,
तरह इंग्लिश में कहो, हिंदी में कहो, या फिर कोई भी लैंग्वेज लो, हर एक लैंग्वेज के पीछे एक बड़ा थॉट रहता है। उस थॉट को
yes, ma'am.
एक्सप्रेस जब करते हैं ना, तो वो शब्दों की जरूरत होती है, तो वो शब्दों को थोड़ा हैंडल करना पड़ता है। ठीक है?
हाँ, yes.
गुड, थैंक यू फॉर दैट। एनीथिंग एल्स टू ऐड इनटू ट्रस्ट?
Yes, ma'am. With the help of trust, we can do some things, ma'am. Just like it provides you a open conversation, ma'am.
हाँ,
So you can openly talk with someone when you have trust on someone because
freedom of speech
you
in
are
between any relations.
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
And you also have you can maintain an eye contact also, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
Instead, you can say you can face the person
yes, ma'am.
under any
And
circumstance.
you can also mingle with your friends or a family, ma'am. And even
It
you feel
allows you to
comfortable and
mingle
confident.
to any extent, to certain extent.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
not any extent,
Ye-
because any is
Yes.
always disallowed in any relation to certain extent.
Okay.
Because every relation has got its own sanctity. हर एक रिश्ता
Yes.
कोई भी हो, चाहे प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल, ये दोनों ही शब्द आपके जो ट्रस्ट के टॉपिक में आना चाहिए था। ट्रस्ट
Yes, ma'am.
इधर प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल। पर्सनल में मे बी ब्लड रिलेशन और आउट ऑफ ब्लड रिलेशन। प्रोफेशनल में
Yes,
योर
ma'am.
सीनियर, योर जूनियर, योर पीयर ग्रुप।
Yes.
हाँ,
And
ये
even
तीनों
you
को
feel
शब्दों में
also
आना
comfort.
चाहिए था।
हाँ, ma'am.
हम्म,
And also you feel comfortable and confident, ma'am.
हाँ, it allows you to be confident. Yeah,
And confident, ma'am.
done.
And the one of the biggest thing, ma'am, your privacy is your biggest asset, ma'am.
Certainly, everyone needs it.
Yes, you can. If you have a trust on someone, you can share your privacy with any other, ma'am.
Instead of privacy, you can share personal things.
Personal things, ma'am. That
हाँ,
may be a problem or whatever, ma'am.
हाँ. Yes. Any add-on again?
Yes. No, no, no. That's it.
Any last line? क्योंकि ये ट्रस्ट है ना।
Trust.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये इमोशनल फैक्टर है, और ट्रस्ट, बिना ट्रस्ट के तो कोई काम नहीं चलता है। तो एक टैगलाइन जरूरी है, क्योंकि आपका पैराग्राफ राइटिंग हो, एसे राइटिंग हो, एग्जामिनेशन में लिखो, या फिर क्लास में प्रेजेंटेशन हो, एक टैगलाइन
Yes.
जरूरी है। क्योंकि एडवर्टाइजमेंट में स्लोगन रहता है ना, वैसे भी एक टैगलाइन अगर सोच के बोलोगे अपने शब्दों में।
अभी ट्रस्ट को मैं फेविक्विक ही दूंगा, मैडम।
पार्डन?
फेविक्विक, मैम। क्योंकि दो लोगों को जोड़ता है ना, मैडम।
सब रिश्तों को जोड़ता है।
हाँ, वही दो रिश्तों को, दो लोगों को जोड़ता है।
दो या फिर मल्टीपल भी, ग्रुप में अगर 5 मेंबर है तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर तो होना ही चाहिए ना।
होना ही चाहिए। हाँ, यस मैम।
ट्रस्ट इज प्राइसलेस। संदीप राठौड़, आई थिंक ये सारे इमोशनल लोग हैं जो अपने सेंटेंस को उगल रहे हैं अभी। टैगलाइन जय ने कुछ लिखा था, मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई। आई शुड चेक हिज चैट, जस्ट बी ऑनलाइन अरफात। हाँ, जय ने लिखा लास्ट लाइन में भी वी ट्रस्ट यू मैम। अच्छा, ये मैं कहाँ आ गई जय नागपाल? समझ में नहीं आया डियर।
आगे पीछे कर रहा है मैडम वो।
ओके अरफात,
मैं बोल
एनीथिंग टू ऐड?
हाँ,
टैगलाइन अगर आपके दिमाग में आया है तो बोल दो, क्योंकि अगर फेविक्विक
मैं
है तो
सोच के
अरफात के।
बोलूंगा,
हाँ,
सोच के बोल दूंगा मैडम।
कभी कभी सोचो मत रे, जस्ट बोल दो, क्योंकि
नहीं
शब्द
यस
तो
मैडम,
कहते हैं।
अभी 2 मिनट्स में बोल दूंगा।
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चांस। Arfat isn't waiting. He wants to maintain certain arrange certain things. Who else is joining now? Arfat is given. Sorry,
Good
Arfat,
morning,
3.5. Yeah, who is this? Asha. Psychology. Hey, nane ne hele na
Yes,
bata.
ma'am.
You want to say again?
Yes, ma'am.
Hela pe hela. No problem. Most welcome. Here.
I'm choosing topic on trust, ma'am.
Come again with your sentence.
I'm choosing a topic on trust, ma'am.
I am choosing the topic trust. Correct how to sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Helu.
I'm choosing the topic trust.
Now start.
As I studied from Google, trust is a assured character, ability, strength, truth of someone, ma'am. It is a something which
That means it is the quality in us.
trust is between. Yes, ma'am.
It is the quality in us, no? You have checked in the dictionary meaning of trust.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Trust can be between teachers and students, parent and child, and to it places a confidence in someone is nothing but trust, ma'am. As, as Arfat said, ma'am, trust can be in between strangers too.
Who said? Who said? Whose name you have taken? Asha? Asha went away. Neha? Asha? Where did you go? Asha, your voice is not heard. I didn't said stranger. Who is chatting you like that? Stranger you have not used. I know that. I know, Arfat, you have not used stranger. Asha told. Okay. Asha went away only. I don't know where did she go. Neha, join in here. Arey, don't allow this to make. You're all grown up. Join into this discussion. Chetan, Gautami, Girish, Arshia.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Sandeep.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I would like to choose the topic trust, ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead.
Trust is a very valuable word, ma'am.
Yeah.
Trust is a very valuable word.
Yes.
It is very important in any relationship,
Okay.
like friendship, husband and wife, and lovers.
अच्छा, मदर
if you
फादर नहीं
lose-
आते उसमें?
वो भी डाल दो मैम।
मैं नहीं, तुम्हें डालना है, क्योंकि 5 मार्क्स तुम्हें जीतना है डियर, मुझे नहीं। See, when we are talking with any student, no, my dear Sandeep, kindly listen here. When I was clearing certain things from Arfat's sentences, तभी थोड़ा लिख के रखते थे। नोटबुक तो होना चाहिए आपके पास, नोट मेकिंग बुक। ಮತ್ತೆ only 3 things trust ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ನೋಡ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್। ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿ
बोलो।
सेंटेंस कंपाइलेशन मुझे नहीं बोलना है संदीप, you have to learn it. Your thoughts, your intentions should convey it too, because do you know how many people are listening you? 51 people including me. Though I am asking and listening you directly, others are listening you indirectly. Weightage of words very important. Am I clear? Sandeep should be respected also after this session of speak. So I require certain words, your own words, which balances everything. Okay, Don't be so specific.
Oh.
Are you clear with this?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And don't go specific.
Ma'am, if you,
There is a sanctity of maintaining the class, Sandeep. I as well as you, my dear. Hope you take this responsibility seriously.
okay,
Helappe. I trust you. You go ahead. I'll believe your words, but
ma'am.
no specificity, please.
Okay, ma'am.
I told you, no,
If
personal
we
relations and
lose trust
professional
on some,
relations.
um,
Huh. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
if
sophisticated words
we lose,
ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾವು.
hello, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm stopping now. You continue.
If we lose the trust on someone, ma'am, it cannot be easily gained again, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, to achieve, first we must trust ourselves, ma'am, to
That's
achieve our goals and fulfill our dreams.
Okay.
Without trusted
Just to have
ourselves,
success
we
in life,
cannot.
you need trust.
Ma'am, first we must trust ourselves to success our life, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, most of the people fail in their success because they don't believe in their own trust, ma'am. Ma'am, I think trust is a priceless, ma'am.
Okay. It is.
It cannot be
It cannot
buy
be,
from any price, ma'am.
certainly.
Ma'am, lastly, I would like to take an example of Selena Gomez, ma'am.
Who is she? Introduce herself. Her.
Ma'am,
Who is she?
I always see in her speeches, she takes an statement that trust yourself.
Huh.
Ma'am, she is an American singer, actress, and producer, ma'am.
Okay.
She always trusted herself and she achieved a lot, ma'am. Now she is an American singer, actress, and producer, ma'am. She trusted herself and achieved a lot, ma'am.
Okay, Sandeep.
It's completed, ma'am.
Sandeep, may I go a little personal with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because if it was offline class, it was different arena, but now it is being online. But online or offline, I'm trying to maintain the same ambience in my class. But Sandeep, what is your dream to become?
Bank manager.
So clear. That means your payment amount is ready to give it to any bank and go for a managerial job.
I chosen them already there.
You want to attempt through a written examination or with a reference? Huh? Answer. Arey, you
Written exam.
say it, your friends know it, I don't know it, that's it.
Hello, ma'am.
Written?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm there, Sandeep. Written.
Written, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let it be little straight. Straight andra let ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಾರ ಇರಲಕ್ಕ ಬಾಯಾಗ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಫೈನ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸಲೀನಾ ಯಾರಕ್ಕಿ? ಆಕಿ ನಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez. Okay, I hope I'm pronouncing properly. Aki trust yourself antalandu. That means Sandeep tomorrow his dream is to become the bank manager and maintain his bank in a proper way. He will work hard to build that bank and spread across Karnataka as well as national oriented. So he will work hard for it. For all these things, the simple tagline he believed as whatever he thought which was beyond his limit. Okay, it was beyond his limit, but he kept the trust in his own dream and had put complete efforts beyond his capacity, and Now he is a successful bank manager running across Karnataka and India. Let's take century, 100 banks. Claps to Sandeep Rathod. Now he says, though the efforts may not be into your limit, cross them, cut those mountains, cut those hurdles. Because when you trust yourself and you trust your dream, you will be at a different level of knowledge and understanding. And that is the example of being Sandeep Rathod. I hope you'll understand it, Sandeep. My idea of telling you. ತಿಳಿತಪ್ಪಿ
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಂತದ ಮೇಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಿನ್ ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗೋದ್ ಬೇಡ. ನಿನ್ 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ, 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂತ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಈಸಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ನಿನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಲಾಜಿಕಲಿ, ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನೀ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ನಿನ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನೀ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಾಗೂ ನಂಗೆ 100 ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಾಗೂ ಬೆಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಂದ ಆದ್ರ, you have to keep trust on you to work beyond your limits. Got the point?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You have taken an example into your context of paragraph. You started it with certain tagline, and the words what you wanted to compile was not reaching to the requirement. For this, I can give you 3.5, Sandeep.
Okay, ma'am. I will try to.
Marks are there, okay,
Yes,
Sandeep? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಪ್ಪ.
Okay.
ನಾವು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ತಲೆಗಿಟ್ಕೋ, there is a platform,
ma'am.
people are listening you or what I don't know, but you ನೀನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು ನೀನೇ ಕೇಳೋವಾಗ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ ತಪ್ಪು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪೆ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ please, quickly come yourself. Neha, thank you for this. Hi, ha, who. Arfat gave the tagline till the next one takes the charge. Akash Biradar bandil nodi ivatta. I had phoned him and he committed me that on Monday he will be saying. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮೇ ಐ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ? ಯಾ ಆಶಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮುಗಿತೈತಿ. Students, listen, Arfat's tagline, being trusted is greater than being loved. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅರ್ಫತ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಅದು. ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನೀ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ. ಯಾ ಆಶಾ?
Ma'am, shall I start from first or shall I continue, ma'am?
Your wish, my dear. It's your
Yes,
class
ma'am.
also. Take the complete responsibility of what you are delivering, because 50 people are listening you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll start from first, ma'am.
Wish.
Trust is a assured character, ability, strength, truth, or someone for something, as I took it from Google. It is a definition of a trust. Trust is between teachers and student, parents and child. As Arfat said, ma'am, it can be also between strangers. Trust is nothing but it is a place of a confidence in someone. It is nothing but trust. Nowadays, more marriages are weakened by trust. Trust is very essential in workplace also. If trust is built in workplace, then they can lead to priorities.
They may lead to, they may can ಎರಡು model verbs use ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ model verb use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
They may lead to priorities. Trust also depends on understandings. If there is a misunderstanding between two, then there is lack of trust. Trust makes to share our secrets of personal things, and we will be secure with the person who will be having a trust on us, or we will be having trust on him or her.
Hmm.
Now I want to conclude, ma'am. Trust can also be a fake sometimes, so we have to be careful before trusting anyone.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's it, Asha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 4 for you.
Thank you,
Next
ma'am.
one, Girish. Government job versus private jobs. Trust. Which was the third topic, dear students?
Spoken English.
Spoken English. Shivam, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, start. Ma'am, I will tell to Sudanma, neene barta illa pe. Fine, Sudanma, I will be waiting to listen yours. Shivam, start.
Ma'am, my topic for a day is trust only, ma'am.
Most welcome. Start.
Ma'am, in current present situation, no one has trust on anyone, ma'am. Only everyone is having a belief. Everyone says that a teacher and a student is having trust, but actually no one is having trust on anyone, ma'am. They just believe on others, ma'am. That's all. If they have trust, they have listened to their teachers' thoughts and they would have implemented, ma'am.
Yeah, my dear.
Due
That is
to
the
lack of
concept
trust.
of trust cycle.
Yes, ma'am. Due
Shall
to
I add
lack
an
of trust,
example
they
here?
just. Yes, ma'am.
Though Arfat I have not taught, though Sudanma I have not, Shivam, though I had not taught you, though I had not taught Girish J, fine, only few days,
Yes.
including Neha and all. There was all initial start of the class, but there was a kind of building happening because of function in between, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then when I take an example specifically for Arfat committed me that he will be joining on Monday. He'll be joining to the class.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
asked him for the list of students. He did not
Yes, ma'am.
deny it. He responded very positively to that.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I started, oh, this boy is very obliged. He is giving me what I had asked for. This is also trust or belief.
Ma'am, according to me, it's belief, ma'am. Trust can't be gained within a day or within a week or
Wow,
within a
claps
year,
to
ma'am.
Shivam, you
It takes.
gained 5 here. You gained 5 here. Claps to you. Claps,
Yes, ma'am.
claps, claps.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wanted this, but you elaborate your meaning because students, there is a big highlight into our discussion. It is, see, any bondage, dear students. Trust is a very last cadre of level. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Initial was just a belief. Anything we think that may be my dream, my relationships, your relationship, our elders' relationship. Initial stage, there will always be belief. Once belief is built, right? Once belief
Yes,
is
ma'am.
built, later with the bondages, with the ups and downs, when we tackle and give positivity for each other, certainly it turns to trust. When these two
Yes,
are tackled with many hurdles, with many repercussions, the faith develops. That's why we cannot fight with God. We have faith on God. So, more
yes,
than
ma'am.
trust, there is faith. And to reach this level
Yes,
of
ma'am.
relationship upgradation, we need to cross so many things. And that is what the level of faith. So these words have their own characteristics to play with our life, dear students. That is what Mr. Shivam Bujal brought a highlight into this discussion. I am happy for this. Continue, Shivam.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, and trust is not gained so easily, ma'am, as it takes many of the year. Trust is only taken. If everyone started to trust, ma'am, everyone would have become successful by listening to their mentors, ma'am. If I have trust on you, ma'am, if you give me something to implement in my life, I will implement and I will proceed further, ma'am. If I don't implement your thoughts, then I'm just believing in you, ma'am. That's all. And trust is only, according to me, only last part of our life, and we have only few days in our life. The trust builds itself, ma'am. In whole lifetime, it never builds only, ma'am.
Yes.
That's all, ma'am. I would like to conclude.
Completely, ma'am. You asked a chocolate to Shivam many times. He didn't give you. At last, it means he doesn't. He don't.
Ma'am, juice, not chocolate, ma'am.
He don't trust you, or he didn't disobey you. I have this one doubt. I think my big laugh is enough, Jay. But now big chocolate is granted for Shivam Budal. You are like your name itself, dear Shivam. God has blessed you with a beautiful name.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye
All
bye.
credit goes to my father and mother, ma'am.
Certainly, because they are the means to God.
Yes, ma'am.
Jay. Chalo. Thank you, Shivam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Successfully done. Next one. Just 1 minute. Who is going to take this opportunity? Sanya? Yeah, dear. Akiya now.
Ma'am, Girish.
Jay. Huh. What do you want to highlight? Who is it?
Ma'am, Girish.
Girish. Girish is not ready to take his own initiation, which is lacking in his personality. Jay, I have observed it many a times. गिरीश अपने आप इनिशिएशन नहीं लेता है, उसके अंदर वो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है. He should change. No, there is no change.
No, ma'am. That his connection was not proper.
Every class he is doing it like that. Yeah, he's not open to discussions.
No, ma'am. That internet problem in his home.
Okay, then I'll call him and listen. I'll have a conference call with you three.
Yes, ma'am. That's better.
Now, who is going to take the charge for 1 minute? No one? Chalo, have a nice day. Tomorrow we shall continue with this. And some of you I may be calling today, BCom students especially. Hope you make this class more successful. Take good care. Attend second class with proper preparation. That is notes, pencil, etc. Keep yourself present.